AS level, Shanot Kumar Ghosh, class 8, Tasbiul Hassan, class 8, Muhammad Arif Ahsan, class 6, Syed Shafin Reza, class 9, Farshad Hussain Mugdho, class 4, Akond Muntasir Masnoon, class 6, Dipayon Nag, class 7, Wasif Ahmed Talukdar, class 4. The man of the match was Saleh Mahmoud Islam, class 9. And the best player was Tanzirul Islam Jodha from AS level. A big clap for them.